Here we are with a special set for the Acebeam K75, and this includes the flashlight itself, the battery, box, 4 pieces 18650s, and we got 2 pieces spare O-rings, a handle, and we got the lanyard, and as an addition we have this Immolent shoulder strap. There we got the manual, warranty card and the warning card, and we also have the Phoenix charger, and we got this box here, and there is also the Immolent bag here, which is really convenient if you want to carry the flashlight over a longer distance. This includes also this separate shoulder strap, which is really useful to carry this bag. Now if you got any questions, just leave a message, a comment, and you can also find more information on the websites. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.